yellow, left, blue, yellow, green. You did it! That was a hard one. Very nice. Put those in order. How many close? How does it go? Tom, how does it go? Do you want your break? Please. Okay, how does it go? Salsa juice. Dip the, there you go. Salsa. Dip the pizza. Roll the dough. Roll the dough. Salsa. Pepperoni. Eat. Yeah, who is this? Me. What are you doing? Eat. I am eating. Go ahead, what are you doing? Me. I am eating.
Very good, buddy.
Clap, then touch your head. Awesome. What does the cat say? Meow. What's this? What letter is that? C. Tell me a word that starts with C. C. Cat. Good. Tell me a word that starts with C. Cat. Yes, that's right. There you go. Nice. Like this. Good. What are we doing? Kissing. Yeah, we're kissing. Candy is something you. Candy is something you eat. Candy is something you eat. Nice. Give me a high five. Touch your nose. On your break? Okay, touch your nose. Yeah. You smell with your nose. You smell with your nose. Yeah, that's good. Candy is something you eat. Candy is something you. Do you want to earn your break? Give me a high five. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Candy is something you eat. Yes. There you go. Put it on. What letter is that? J. What sound does it make? J. Show me playing the guitar. Nice. Cow says moo. I already did those. All right. 5, 3. Nice work. Very good. Go like this. How about like this? Where do you live? Hold up. Like this. Did you do it? Like this. Very nice. An airplane is something that flies. What is this? Is a clock. Like this. You smell with your nose. Awesome. There you go. Very good work. Okay. Do you want to earn your break? Yes, please. Okay, go like this real fast. Go like this. Go like this. Tell me some things you eat. Oh my goodness.
Is Jake trying to sweep you up?
What is going on? Okay. Actually. Alright. Halloween. Pillow goes with. Pillow goes with. Okay. Bed, that's right. Well, where does that? Your last one. Where does that?